Hey guys, this is your girl, part of my beauty TV. Don't mind my hair, but we're gonna be doing the Model Ones unboxing polygel nail kit. So first of all, this is how the box looks, and just a little insider, guys. I've been saying this thing wrong for the longest. Like every time I talk about it, I say Modalones, but then I was watching a tutorial and I hear everybody call it Model Ones, but the ONES is not separate. But either way, however you decide you want to call it, I call it Modalones. Everybody else call it Model Ones, but you guys can see that I have the small little kit. I got it off of Amazon. Polygel kit mini. It says new, so it has like a little sticker on the back. Hope you guys can see that. I know it's gonna be like flipped. And yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video while I unbox the polygel nail kit. Hey guys, so yeah, this is part of my video TV. So I figured I'd pop back in to do a little voiceover. So basically I'm gonna be showing you guys the things that are inside the box. I'm showing you the nail forms, I guess that's what they're called. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys the what is this? Oh, this is the slip solution. Basically that's what separates the polygel so you can like spread it out on that nail tip. This is the top coat, excuse me, and bottom coat, as you guys can see, base and top. And it comes with a nail file, which is really good. It's 100 to 180 grit. And this is the thing I was telling you about. I mean, well, I didn't even say it yet. Anyway, so this is the what is it called, spatula thing, and the thing to smooth out the nails once you put on the slip solution on the polygel on the nail form. And basically, yeah, it comes with what does the thing come with? It comes with glitter, it comes with little rhinestones, it comes with a UV gel lamp, which is I love, because then I would have to add order that separate. I think all of this came up to like $20 for Black Friday. I figured this was like an early birthday gift, early Christmas gift for me. So yeah, that's why this pertains to Vlogmas. So guys, just continue watching the video and I hope you guys enjoy.